Hi, my name is Ralph. I'm with Ziegler Cat, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the loader and install a front mount snowblower. One of the first steps we're going to do is raise the loader up and put these stands down. Now I'll show you after we have that done. The next step is to remove the pins from the back on both sides, and then we'll tip the loader forward to get it out of the top hook. Next, you want to move your lever to release any hydraulic pressure you may have on the loader part before you unhook your hoses. Make sure that your color codes match up before you disconnect, so it'll make it easier for reassembly. Like red to a red cap, black to a black, here's a green to a green, and a blue to a blue. And now we're ready to back away from the loader. Next, the grill guard will have to be removed for the snowblower mount to be hooked on. Okay, the next we're going to install the hitch part of the snowblower. It's important to thread this piece out as far as you can, so when you set it on here, the bottom of this will be able to fit in here. Next, we'll tighten up this to attach it to the tractor. Next, these are color-coded, red and black, so we'll hook them up next. Normally, this loop piece would go on this hole here to hold the hydraulic lines. The next step is to install the PTO shaft between the front hitch of the snowblower to the mid-mount PTO shaft. I've already removed the cap on the mid-mount PTO shaft. Now I'll install the shaft. The next is to attach the locking mechanism to lock the snowblower to the snowblower mount. And that's done with this lever on this side here. And then a pin goes through this hole right here. Next, we're going to attach the PTO between the front hitch and the snowblower. First, you lift up and flip this latch here that was holding the PTO up for installing the snowblower. Then we'll hook the splines on the back side. The next step is to hook up your manual chute. Okay, make sure and have the snowblower against the ground, because if you don't, you could adjust this too short, and when you let it down, it will pull, the lever will hit up here and pull it down. This one is equipped with a manual spout turning device. You can also have an option of a hydraulic turning device. This one has the electric spout deflector. Otherwise, it could be a manual one. This concludes the installation of the snowblower. If you have any other questions on installation or any problems that you run into, call your local Ziegler Cat dealership, and they'll be glad to help you through any installation problems.